You can use this paper color supermarket, maybe newspapers. Newspaper like this. You can use this one and maybe this color. What is this? Scissor. The cuts 1, 2, after fold, 3 inside. After the fold, they roll inside, cut 1, 2. This is come here. Cut inside the roll. Take one paper slowly. Another one. No boys. Boys no. Only girls. I'll come after boys, no problem.
Why?
Cut the red colors and 2 color, cut like leaf. I like Somaliland, beautiful country. It's very nice. I'm from India. I visit Ethiopia, Africa, Dubai. Take the pen. Yeah, come on. Press. No boys. Go. After. Take a 1, 2. Slowly pull up. Another 1. Number 3 is down. Is rose flower, mashallah. Okay. Silence. The papers 3 color. 1, 2, 3. How many papers? 3. How many papers? 3. Look at 1. Fold, roll inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very easy, simply your decoration. I have kitab, Arabic and English. You read Arabic?
Yes.
I have kitab. Let's take 1 paper. It's the garland. I have kitab, this kitab. This kitab, the kitab Tariqa. 15, 1, 5. 1, 5, 15 design. 1 design, 2 design, 3, 4. Design Tariqa. You learn very good. Your teacher, your mother, father, your sister, friend, school. You learn all design, flower, garland, tree. They have pictures. Have you translation? Please. Sound. Sound. What the flower garlands? The book's price 10,000. Sanku. 10,000. This 10,000 is chai, coffee, finish. But this is very important for art, decoration, Ramadan, Eid, for every festival. My India Muslim children, they make a craft. For 1 minute, one design. You want to buy books? I have no more. I have show you few. Give the mudir. You will buy from the office tomorrow, bukra, anytime. Who want interest? Raise your hands. Who want interest? Teacher? What about teacher? Teacher interest? Okay. These books, first one book give for the mudir. The gift I give myself free. One book first. The mudir. Clap. Go to class.